a mini-cube land. I dig with cold hands. I use these tools to try and climb out of this mess I've made. 2, 3. My door is open. Skeletons and zombies, I am broken as they walk all over me. But if I keep on building walls, maybe they'll stay away. Think fast, it's got to last if you're gonna make it through the rest of the day. I'm trapped, I can't go back. Gotta the choice to stay, and we'll fight. Just stay by my side. I'm in a cube land. My castle's so grand. And once I lay these tracks, I'll